Hello folks, it's Brian from Steele Hyundai, located at 3625 in Kempt Road in Halifax. Today I'll be showing you the 2021 Hyundai Venue in the Ultimate trim in a very classic Typhoon Gray color. I call this vehicle Hyundai's Mini Palisade. Taking from the body shape and lines of the Palisade, this Venue has tremendous value, coming fitted with many tech and advanced safety features. Starting at the front of the vehicle, this vehicle has a bold stance highlighted with a cascading waterfall chrome grille. The lights are a split design fitted with LED daytime running lights and LED headlights with active cornering. The Venue is fitted with 17-inch alloy rims. All the wheels are coming with ABS brakes. It has a nice trim. This black trim, it helps protect the vehicle from any flying rocks or debris that you might come across. We do have a remote keyless entry and also have side mirrors that go with this gray and trimmed out in black, and also having side indicators. Looking at the back of the vehicle, it gives you hints of styling of a Mini Cooper or a Mini Palisade at much less the cost and much more reliable. The taillights have this unique design of a Z shape. For the Venue in this subcompact line, there's ample space of 906 liters of available space. And if you're moving anything like plants or anything like that, there is this nice nifty little design where you can actually lower the floor and get way more space if you're moving anything long. This Venue also comes equipped with this cargo cover that usually you have to pay aftermarket, and you have this nice little design that you can just stow it away and not worry that it's going to get damaged during your move. You can see that there's even more space when we flatten the 60/40 back seats, and there's lots more cargo space if you just need that extra space when you're moving. And for those extended road trips, the Venue comes equipped with these roof rails that normally you have to pay extra for in other lines. Great for putting your Thule cargo box for those trips that you're going to take in the summer. The Venue Ultimate's powered by Hyundai SmartStream 1.6 6-speed intelligent variable transmission, giving you a very smooth ride and very nimble handling. It powers 121 horsepower with 113 pound-feet of torque. The fuel economy on this vehicle is 8.6 in the city, 6.8 on the highway, and a very, very stingy 7.8 combined. Looking in the interior, we have this beautiful leather and cloth contrast stitch interior. When we come to the front seat, we got this beautiful expansive textured dashboard, very simplistic in design. It's highlighted with these white trims on the vents. We have a auto headlight system here, and the cluster is a classic race car tachometer and speedometer. We have a 8-inch standard infotainment center display with Apple Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We have a sliding armrest. We have some additional storage above the glove box, and we have a heated steering, 3-level heated front seats. It comes equipped with a 6-speaker system. Great for playing the tunes while you're on that road trip. When it comes to safety, Hyundai spared no expense with this Hyundai Venue Ultimate. It has stability traction control, forward collision warning with pedestrian assist, lane keep assist, high beam assist, driver attention warning, rear camera, blind spot warning, and downhill assist. And that's a wrap for the 2021 Hyundai Venue in the Ultimate trim. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at Steele Hyundai at 902-454-1000, HRM's preferred Hyundai dealership.